Today we have to start with 6.1, question number 6 here. In this question, in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? That means you have to draw a number line here and mark 2 and 9 over there and tell me which number is on the right hand side. Always remember that the greater the number, that number will always be on the right hand side. Please concentrate on the studies right now, everyone. Yes, the number on the right hand side will always be greater. So as you know, when you will draw the number line, 9 will always be on the right hand side when you are drawing a number line. Let's see how. Now see the board here. I'm drawing a number line here. All of you draw this number line in your notebook also. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down the numbers also. 0, 1, 2. Draw number line, everyone. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a number line, and as you know, 2 is here. This is 2 and this is 9. So as you can see, 9 is on the right hand side of 2. Okay, so you have to draw a number line like this in your notebook in each and every part, and you have to write the answer that 9 is greater than 2, and that's why 9 lies to the right hand side of 2. Clear now? So all of you do this question 6, that you have to draw a number line, use pencil as well as ruler while drawing the number lines. 2 and 9. So first of all draw a number line and write 9 lies to the right on the number line. Or if you do it like that. Yes, Aksham. You have drawn the number line. But you have not marked 0 here. In the first number line, you have not marked 0. Always start your number line, first one. You have to start your number line with 0 always. Okay? So mark 0 here. Yes, in this way. Yes, now it's correct. Yes, in this way you have to do this question. Very good, Saksham. Yes, Aradhya, your number line is correct, but you are drawing with the help of pen. Please use pencil while drawing the diagrams. Now, next question number 7 is, write all the integers between the given pairs. You have to write all the integers. Yes, Harsh, what are the integers between 0 and -7?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, integers between 0 and -7 are -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, and -1. All are the integers between 0 and -7.
And can you tell me what is increasing order, Harsh? It's written, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Increasing order. What do you mean by increasing order here?
Ma'am, the negative number is
Do you know about ascending order?
yes, ma'am.
So that is known as increasing order here. If it is written decreasing
Okay,
order,
ma'am.
that means descending order. Okay, so increasing order means smaller to bigger. So the smallest number over here is -6, then -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. That's why we have written arrange these numbers in the increasing order like that. Got it? In ascending way. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ridhima, tell me the next one.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Just a second, Harsh. Ridhima, tell me the next one.
The integer between -4 and 4 are -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3.
Okay, good. You can lower down your hands if your queries are solved. Ayush, tell me the next one. -8 and -15. What are the numbers lying between them?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, and -9.
Absolutely right. Yes, Kanishka, tell me the next one. -30 and -23. The numbers which are lying between -30 and -23 are. Kanishka, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Kanishka.
Yes, ma'am.
The numbers which are lying between -30 and -23 are.
Ma'am, 1 second.
Come on, Kanishka. You can speak like that also. The numbers which are in between 30 and 23, what are they?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, 29, 28,
-29, beta.
-29, -28, -27, -26, -25, -24, -23.
That's it, beta. You have to tell between -23 up. So up to -24 you will be writing. Clear? About this? The greater will be the number, the smaller it will be it in negative. The smaller will be the number, the greater will be it in negative. So greater than -20 will be, yes, Avni, answer me now. What are the numbers which are greater than -20?
-19,
Yes,
-18,
yes,
-17,
yes,
-16.
absolutely right. Now I think you have understood this thing. Now, Suhan Khan, unmute yourself and tell me 4 integers less than -10. Suhan Khan, 4 integers less than -10.
Yes, ma'am.
4 integers less than -10. What are they? What are the 4 integers which are less than -10? Come on. Kavya. Kavya.
Yes, ma'am.
I've explained you about the integers. So less than -10. Tell me the integers which are less than -10. Yes, Kavya, speak up. Try to answer, beta. Integers which are less than -10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
This
7,
number
8,
is,
9.
listen to me carefully. The numbers which are less than -10. Not I'm asking about 10. Listen to the question very carefully. Numbers which are less than -10. Chirag, unmute yourself and tell me the answer. And open your webcam also. Chirag Rawat. Chirag Rawat, I'm talking to you. Unmute yourself. Open your webcam. Open your webcam. Joel, your camera is still closed. Yes, tell me, beta. The numbers which are less than -10. Come on. Okay, I'm explaining you again. Now listen to me very carefully. When you will draw this number line like this, all the positive numbers are on the right hand side. And when you are talking about the negative numbers, that will be on the left hand side. These are the negative numbers. I'm drawing the number line in this way. These are the negative numbers,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? These all are negative numbers. So if I draw this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, so I'm writing
Yes,
here -6, -5, -4,
-3, -2, -1.
-2, -1. Okay, tell me one thing. You are having AC at your home, Chirag? I think
Yes, ma'am.
everybody is having AC at their home. When you will just set your temperature at 16, the coolest is highest or lowest?
Ma'am, normal.
16 temperature.
Ma'am, highest.
Highest. If I'll do it 24, if I'll set the temperature at 24, then will the coolest be
Ma'am.
highest or lowest?
Ma'am, highest.
Highest. Are you sure? Do you have AC at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Now listen to me. 24 पे जब आप सेट करते हो AC का टेम्परेचर, तो कूलिंग ज्यादा होती है या कम होती है? Just tell me that thing.
मैम ऐसे नहीं पता।
ऐसे नहीं पता. Okay, you have not set the temperature.
मैम मेरे घर में सिर्फ एक ही टेम्परेचर पे चलता है।
Okay, fine. Adit, you tell me about this.
Yes, ma'am.
You are having AC at your home.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So when you are setting the temperature at 24, so what will be the temperature? The cooling
Yes,
point
ma'am.
will be highest or lowest?
Ma'am, it is not highest and not lower.
It is
It is
lower.
of middle.
Ah.
Middle.
Okay, if I'll set the temperature at 16, then
Ma'am, then it will cool so many.
okay. So the coolest point will be the higher. As you have learnt in the
Highest.
science also, you have learned in the science that freezing works in negative. Yes or no? Freezing
Yes,
works
ma'am.
in negative. Okay. So why?
Ma'am, yes,
Now listen to me very carefully. 16 is a smaller number, but the cooling is higher. 24 is a bigger number, but the cooling is lower. Why is it so? Have you thought ever about it? Have you thought it about it ever?
Ma'am, please repeat the question again.
If the cooling of AC you have set 16, the cooling is higher. And if you are setting the
Yes.
temperature at 24 or 25, the cooling is lower than 16.
Yes.
So why is it so? You know 24 is the bigger number and 16 is the lower
Yes.
number, but the temperature.
Ma'am, because ma'am, I can tell. Ma'am, because 16 is lower and in negative this is.
Yes, because in negative, the lower the number, the greater it is. So
Yes.
same in case of here also, if I talk about -10, so which is less than -10? -11 or -9?
-11.
Minus 11 is less than minus 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Chirag, now understood this thing? Clear? Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Negative and positive?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear with everybody? Any queries regarding negative or positive?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. So, everybody will write that minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14 are less than minus 10. Okay? And the numbers which are greater than minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. It works in ulta pulta direction. Okay? You learn in Hindi na ulta pulta. So in negative works like that also. Okay? Minus 4 is a bigger number. Minus, if I talk about minus 5, then minus 6 is a smaller number and minus 4 is a bigger number. Clear? Am I clear with that, everyone? Is it clear? Okay, fine. I know beta time is over. I am ending up with the meeting. So do these questions up to 8 in your notebooks, everyone. Okay? Okay, class. I'm ending up with the meeting now.